Today's topic for discussion is details about sugarcane plant. The botanical name of sugarcane is Saccharum officinarum. Commonly it is called as ganna, or in Marathi it is called as oos, and family of this plant is Poaceae. Let us see the origin and history of sugarcane. Sugarcane is a cash crop. It is the best source of sugar. The sugar industries, especially in India, all the industries of sugar dependent on sugarcane crop. More than half of the world's sugar supply is obtained from sugarcane. The best production of sugarcane is taken in the tropical parts of the world. The crop is originated in the tropics in New Guinea in the pre-Christian time. In New Guinea, varieties of sugarcane occur are Saccharum robustum and Saccharum officinarum. These two varieties were common there, and out of these, Saccharum officinarum is the best one. These varieties migrated to Asia, and the Saccharum sinensis is a hybrid variety. This grows well in monsoon climate. The Saccharum officinarum variety of the sugarcane also spread to the Pacific Islands. Sugarcane was reached to Egypt in 641 AD and to Spain in 755 AD. The people of Spanish and Portuguese took this plant to Madeira in 1420. According to the history, the sugarcane crop was cultivated as a cash crop at the end of 16th century. Today, all the countries of the tropical and subtropical regions of the world cultivate sugarcane as a cash crop. Next slide. Countries growing sugarcane. Sugarcane is cultivated in India, Cuba, Brazil, Philippines, Hawaii, Java, and USA and Australia. And this crop is grown extensively, and the three countries like India, Brazil and Cuba are the major producers of the sugarcane. In India, sugarcane is grown in most of the states like Karnataka, Maharashtra, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, etc. But Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are the leading states in growing sugarcane. In India, 4 million acres of agricultural land is under cultivation of sugarcane. Next slide. Let us see the botanical features of sugarcane. The family sugarcane is the family of sugarcane is Poaceae. It is a tall grass of about 10 to 20 feet in height. Tufts of many stems may be present in a single plant. The stem is solid. It consists of node and internodes. It is unbranched, and the lowermost nodes bear supporting roots, that is adventitious roots. There are many buds are situated at the nodal region. The buds germinate and produce a new plant after sowing of seed sets. The stem bears a terminal inflorescence, but only few seeds are formed. Mostly the cultivated varieties are heterozygous, which do not breed true. Hence, the small pieces of the stem are used for cultivation purpose. Leaves with parallel venation because it is the plant of monocotyledon. Next slide. Let us see the ecological factors which are favorable for the growth of sugarcane. Sugarcane requires average rainfall about 60 inches. It needs hot and moist climate up to 24 degrees Celsius temperature, and frequent irrigation is beneficial. Black, loamy, deeply plugged soil is good for the growth of the sugarcane. Well drained soil supports best growth of the plant and that yield greater. Next, let us see about the cultivation of sugarcane. The sugarcane is cultivated by using the small pieces of sugarcane stem which are called as seed sets. The seed sets are buried in a row by hand, and the highly mature stems of sugarcane cut into pieces and used as seed sets for sowing purpose. The seed sets consist of 2 to 3 nodal buds at the nodal region, and each bud grows into a new stem of the sugarcane. Before sowing, the field is cleaned and the seed sets are placed in a furrow and covered with soil. Sugarcane crop need a sufficient quantity of nitrogen, potash and phosphate. These are the fertilizers which are used for the growth of sugarcane, and these fertilizers are applied during sowing. We can harvest the crop of sugarcane for 2 to 3 times after sowing. Sugarcane crop need constant weeding. Weeds are the non-required plants that we have to remove. The fertilizers should also be applied to the field during early stage of sugarcane crop. Development of sugarcane crop. Next slide. Let us see harvesting of the sugarcane. Harvesting is done after 1.5 years after sowing date. The stems are cut from 2 to 3 inches above soil surface with the help of knife. In developed countries, the sugarcane cutting machines are available which are used for harvesting. Harvesting is removal of crop after complete maturity. And in the recent years, many high-yielding varieties are developed by plant breeders. Example, Carb is the variety which is superior and disease resistant. Next slide. Let us see about the extraction of the juice from sugarcane. The harvested sugarcane is transported to sugar mills for extraction of juice and preparation of sugar. Initially, sugarcane stems are cut into small pieces with the help of crushers, and then with the help of steel roller, the juice is extracted. The sugarcane pieces are wetted after each extraction step to remove complete extraction of the sugar sap from the stem. The dry stem residue left after extraction of juice is known as Bagasse, which is useful for preparation of paper. Next, let us see purification of the juice. Initially, the juice appears dark green colored, that containing number of impurities. Besides sugar, it also contains a small quantity of gum, organic acid, pectin, ash, minerals, dust particles and small pieces of cane residue. The solid particles are removed by filtering the juice. After filtration, the juice is heated to coagulate the proteins. The organic acids are neutralized by adding lime into the juice. Lime, it is calcium carbonate. The lime, that is calcium carbonate, is also added to prevent sucrose to be converted into some inferior sugars. Other compounds like sulfur dioxide, sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and phosphoric acid also added to the cane juice to precipitate the non-sugars. Next, let us see the concentration of juice. To concentrate the juice of sugarcane, it is boiled in a large vacuum pans. The thick syrup is known as massicute. Solid brown colored good is prepared from the massicute. The liquid remains is called molasses, which is separated out by using centrifuges. Next, refining. The phenomenon of preparation of white crystalline sugar from brown crystals, that is 96% sucrose, is termed as refining. The brown crystals are dissolved, washed, re-crystallized and decolorized with carbon. The refined sugar is packed in the form of crystals and cubes. Okay, this is the refining process. Let us see the economic importance of sugarcane. The molasses liquid is used for the preparation of ethyl alcohol. Vinegar is also prepared from this and rum is also prepared from this molasses. And the plant residue after extraction of juice, that residue is used for making paper. It is the raw material of paper industry. Molasses is sometimes used as manure. Next slide. Molasses is the best cattle food. Molasses are also used for sweetening beverages of the various kind of food. Beverages as well as various kinds of food. The molasses are used in cooking and candy making. The solid waste or bagasse is used as fuel. Next slide. Bagasse is used for making fiber board. Sugar is the best preservative, hence it is used as a base in the preparation of Aayurvedic tonic. Sugar is used in the preparation of homeopathy medicine. Sugar is also used for the preparation of various types of food articles and several uses are there. This is the economic importance of sugarcane. This is all about sugarcane plant. Thank you. Save trees, save earth.